Today we're going to be talking for loops. For loops let you go through things one at a time, right? And as we're doing this, I'm opening my Jupyter Notebook. Up it comes in Safari. You always figure out where you like to work. You know, I like to work, I have a teaching folder, my Python folder, Fall 17, my ScreenFlow videos. I'll make my new Python 2. I'm going to rename it. I've already have a couple things in here, so I'll call it For Loops 3. Very great. And now you always start with Markdown. Remember, and I like put my name in big letters. Then like I'm going to put for loops here, and I'm going to do it in italics. By putting that 1 star, it's in italics. Now the nice thing, you could in Markdown you can do a lot. You could add. If you add 2 stars, you can add bold. And if you wanted, for some reason, if you didn't like anything, you could add some strike through. Right, and there it looks nice. Right, so now, but we want to start our programming. So, right, we always do our mat. We're not going to make any graphs, but we'll do our matplotlib inline. So we could show our graphs if we did. We'll import our NumPy as NP. We're going to need this. And then we'll also import our matplotlib pyplot SPLT. Those go, and we're great. So I'm going to make a list. We're going to go through it one by one. So we're going to make my list equals, right, and what we want to do is imagine you want to go through it 1, 2, 5, and 10. That's what a for loop will do. So the parts are, you do for, you do I, usually that's what people like to do because I, J, K represent vectors. You do for I in my list. You add your colon. Then you tell it what you want to do. I'm just going to print I. So it's going to print each item one by one. And there it goes. Right now you can imagine setting item 2 equal to something else. Remember, this is just a list, so it can be any nonsense in here. If I could spell, it's nonsense. Forgot the equal sign. There we go. Go back in there, and it's nonsense. Remember, it's 0, 1, 2, so it's in the right spot. But a lot of times you want to do for loops with numbers. So let's make a number array using NumPy. So NumPy dot array. And I'll put my numbers in 0, 54.2, 0, 85.4, 3. So you can put any numbers in any order. Now we can go through there for I in number array, print I. There it goes through it. Now we could set the second item in that equal to whatever we want, minus 33.5654. Set it, go back through our for loop, and there it goes. A lot of times when you step through things, you want to step through a certain number, so you'll use range or a range. So you can do for, and remember I'm just using IJK because it's just what people do. So you could do for j in np.arange of 10, print j, goes through it, right? So that works nicely. So you can do it however you want. You can even do it with linspace if you want to get numbers. So you can name this whatever you want. For gh in np.linspace 0 to 10, print gh, and there it goes. But a lot of times you might want to sum up the numbers, so you could say sum equals 0.0. You could go through here, you're printing it, but you can say sum equals sum plus gh. And at the very end, we're going to print a couple of new lines. It goes through it and gives us the 250 at the end. So it did, but we wouldn't need this print in here. We can make it look nicer. Get rid of the new lines. We can see what our sum looks like. 250. Right, and the nice thing is this is Python. So say we want to do from 0 to 10, we wanted 10,000 numbers. It's 5,000, right? You can even make it big, right? We're on a, right, 100,000. Say we want to go from 0 to a million. So there you go. It will do this quickly on your computer for you. So we're going to have fun on this next class going through for loops. So see you then.